What is up, guys? I am on this 26-foot regulator. We've got a couple of awlgrip repairs here and there, some scratches that'll be buffed out, and some topside repairs are already done. You can see this is pretty well polished out at this point. And I've got some little bit of sanding left to do. I'm going to open these up and do like a 400 grit circle of these, and 8 even around that to catch overspray and whatnot. And I'll spray those. I'll clean them up. I'll spray them a good probably 4 coats, 5 coats even, as much as I can get on there without it dripping. And then I will wet sand that out after it dries. 24 hours, and then give it a good buffing. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, give this a like if you care to, appreciate it, share with your buddies, and you will get notifications for this and for other jobs we got going on. I do appreciate it. Thanks a lot.